We brought food, even though we had food. I just needed a different food. Bad choices. You gotta try this one. I don't gotta try nothing. I say we, as in me and my hunger.
The object of each turn is to ask a player a question that you think they will say yes to. Keep going around and around until the player discards all of their cards and become the winner. When you have one card remaining, you must declare it to the group. If you don't declare it by the time your turn is over, you must draw one card, but only if you're caught by another player. Yeah, that's basically it.
What's in it? What makes salsa salsa? Tomato puree, which consists of water and tomato paste, diced tomatoes in tomato juice,
See, basically water and tomato with pepper.
jalapeno
Water and
pepper,
tomato with pepper. With pepper.
jalapeno pepper, onions, and less than 2% of the following: vinegar,
Little bit of vinegar.
salt,
Little bit of salt.
natural flavor,
Little bit of naturalness in the ear. So then put ear in there.
and garlic powder.
Because what is natural flavor? Ear. Oxygen. Nothing.
Yo, I was watching Grey's Anatomy. Up to all the people them who watched the whole 20 seasons of Grey's Anatomy.
Cycles
Make
all
up yourself.
Think y'all doctors now, huh?
Best believe me, I remember not one thing. And the mother for the little sister died from hiccups.
That's
It
not
was
where I saw the
so
story going.
ridiculous.
Yes,
Oh.
imagine me the writers and dead from hiccups. You would have feel bad.
Which part you go? Okay, let me not even worry. She's attacking me with crumbs. We call it scrums. Apparently that's not the word.
It's crumbs.
Where the extra S come from? Like it's scrums.
I'm saying Jamaican always crumbs because guess what? Who wanna have a little spice in it? Let me just make you read it. Have you ever blamed something on your zodiac sign? Yes. Would you marry for money?
Can't always bug your face. Yeah. Have you ever wanted to be with someone but ended up in the friend zone? Yes! How would that? Who did not choose the great Kayla? Would you date someone just because they have a nice car?
Of course.
Create your own question card? I think you're supposed to do that. Why have you
Right.
choose so loud?
Cause you dry.
Go drink the water. Like it's so like she threw her more open, but it's just closed.
It's a skill.
Like laughing without showing
Your teeth.
Yo, those people scare me.
With you.
No. No.
For $10 million.
No.
No.
I'm supposed to get 10 million every time I breathe. No. You're crazy. For what? For $1 million?
Karma comes around and bites you.
For $1 million? Would you eat a live cockroach?
A live cockroach?
A live cockroach that
fried.
random. Listen. For $1 million, would you eat a live cockroach that randomly appears inside your mouth? What's in it?
Imagine me I talk to the love of my life, the crush, my beauty husband, one of my keep up stardom, and then cockroach name up, mom. They would run, I would run, we would run.
Hey, my breathing up until the start black.
Pretend this cup is up the road, right? I mean, I walk past and then all of a sudden it appears on the table, see me? And And then I look down, I have on the slippers.
I would have said that. You don't know for licking weed.
No defense items. So I look on him, I look back on him.
And I looked at him. And he looked at me. And I looked at him.
Would you amputate one of your fingers for 50,000 US dollars? We're not talking cheap Jamaican money. Amputate. 4 fingers for your life. You can choose which one you want to amputate.
So just one time?
Amputate one of your fingers.
For 50 grand?
Yes, I know.
I mean, we don't need all 10 of them.
You never know your finger till you let it go.
What did he say?
Imagine how your finger feel hearing that. Would you date someone who made half as much money as you do?
Depends on how much money I make. Because if I make $100, I can't earn 50. But then again, as long as I don't leech off of my money.
That me I say.
Yeah, man.
Do I look like a rapper? Hey yo, Shaday in the O.
Listen, but you made it beneficial.
I'ma forget, but I'ma dead the issue. Soon as your eye niggas live when they start to miss you. They see you doing good, now it's kinda. Now they see you doing good, now it's kinda hard to miss you. Niggas been sick and they remember all the bad they wish you. Niggas been mad when they can come and live lavish with you. But I spit up in the Benzie. I see the enzy when I'm causing a frenzy. So I pop pills with them.
Pop, pop, pop. Pills in the hills.
Pills and potions. Oh, sorry. Pills and potions.
Potion.
We're overdosing.
OD. We in our studio, bad.
Let me answer. Selector, run a tune.
Would you slap your mom in the face for $500?
You don't understand. In Jamaica, this is not in a question. The answer immediate. The answer immediate. But would you?
Me for slap Susie?
Have you ever taken a picture of your dedication?
Have you ever offered somebody a piece of your Burger King Hershey's pie?
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Have you ever taken drugs without knowing what they were?
Drugs?
Yeah.
Panadol cones?
No.
Would you eat a handful of live wasp for $50,000? No?
That no work, man. That no worth it.
No. Would I give it a try? To be honest. Would you lick someone's feet for $50 million?
You know, ask.
50 mil. 50 mil. 50 mil. 50 million.
Alright, I never say how long. Me that don't know.
Have you ever secretly thought you'd make a good gangster?
I am a good gangster.
You're not my type of gangster.
Me never be your type of gangster.
Well, my type of gangster is a cool gangster, you know what I'm saying?
I'm not cool.
Well, taken.
Do you love men?
Yes, I do. It might not seem like what I do.
I gotta ask.
Would you crawl through a mile of sewage in a tunnel to have a kiss with your celebrity crush? You've showered before you see them.
All if me smell fresh, me smell stink.
You none of demons. I've got angels. You see my halo?
Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye.
It's the way you act for me.
It's a bit.
It's so weird.
Man.
Would you ever get a lover's name tattooed on your body?
Your friendliness ever been misinterpreted as flirting?
Yes. Would you rather be rich than happy?
I'm not happy, I'm a poor. Yes. For 100,000, would you drink a gallon of breast milk or that your mom has been saving in the freezer since you're an infant?
No. For $100,000, would you spit on every new person you meet for a year? So you just introduce you to my new boyfriend. You no longer tell me to get a boyfriend and you spit on him.
One of them llamas spit that you know. Right in the ear.
So would you do it?
So wait, is it that every time I do it I get $1 million? Or I may have to do it for a whole year and then at the end of the year get $1 million? Me don't want nobody beat me up before me get my money. You're mad?
I would do it.
Of course you would. Brother, what if you run out of spit?
No, I'm not gonna meet too much people.
You get panic attack. You talk about that one.
Listen to me.
I'm not listening.
Don't listen.
Would you eat a human meat burger for $5,000?
I'm not Jeffrey Dahmer. Is it okay to cheat on your partner if they gain 100 pounds?
I'm fat. So I am not agreeing to this. I would cry if somebody did that to me.
Cheating is never okay. Never. Would you rather be with someone smart than someone gorgeous?
Shut up, sense. At the end of the day, bag her face. Would you sell one of her kidneys for 100 grand?
Kidney worth more than 100 grand still.
So no.
No. Female full price of my kidney, please.
It's for a kid with cancer.
So, if you really want it in female full price.
Deal or no deal? No deal. If you could, would you like to have a sugar mama or a sugar daddy?
Of course. As long as they don't want sugar. Would you ever purchase a mail order wife or husband?
First of all, I'm not waste money per man. Did you ever regret your career choice?
Sometimes. Still.
As we pack, we ask.
Yeah.
Did you get paid too much for what you do?
No. Do you think that you will age well?
No. Would you eat bull testicles for $500?
No. Would you drink a gallon of water from a public toilet bowl for $100,000?
Absolutely not. In your lifetime, will you have intercourse with a robot? I'm waiting for the no.
No. Do you think you're the smartest person in this room?
No.
Well, glad you know.
You're not smart either.
Well, I'm the smartest person in this room. Are you able to keep a secret?
Yeah, because I forget them as soon as you tell me.
Yeah, me too.
Are your parents disappointed in you?
Ask them. Ask them, I'm not sure. For $100, would you tell a child that Santa isn't real?
Yeah.
I'd be telling them that for $0. Would you marry someone twice your age if it meant you never had to work again?
Yeah. Would you accept $5,000 per year, but randomly once a year, a stranger will punch you in the face?
So I'm like, yes, for me.
I mean, money I make. I mean, if that's the only thing I have to...
They did not say I could not punch back. Are you allowed to say the N-word if it's in a karaoke song that you're singing? I'm black. I can say the N-word anytime I feel like. Nigga.
Log out. Peace. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.
Peace.
Shaday.